Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to your one more activity class, that is pencil chip art. So what is pencil chip art? Have you ever sharpened the pencil like this? So what comes out when you sharpen the pencils? These are the pencil chips. So we should not throw this pencil chip. We have to restore it properly like this. Okay. So the material required for this pencil chip art is one paper. We require this type of pencil chips, one scissor, sharpener, pencils, and color pen. Okay, and one more thing we require to paste it, that is glue. I have made a homemade glue. You can also make it at home. So first what we have to do, we will take this paper. So I am going to make it as a card. So let me fold it properly like this. So as we are making a card, so we will fold the paper exactly half like this. Then what we have to do, we have to do the art with the help of pencil chips. So first we will see, this is the pencil chip. We will open like this, then we will paste the pencil chip. Okay, so like this, see. I am applying the glue on the back of the pencil chip like this. Like this. Then you paste the pencil chip like this, like a flower. Then take another one. We are taking the another one. Let's see, let's open it properly. Then apply glue on the back of it like this. Like this you apply the glue. Then paste the chip like this. Again take one more chip. Open it properly like this. Apply glue properly on the back of the chip. Like this you have to press a little so that it will be pasted on the paper properly. See how I am doing. Okay. Like this you have to apply the glue like this. See, I have made the flower. Now what we have to do, then we have to take the brown color sketch pen, because the stem of the plant is brown. So like this. You have to do the stem like this with the help of the brown color sketch pen. Now inside this we can put dot like this so that the gap will be filled up and it will look good. now we have to make the leaves of this. So how we will make? Small pieces like this we have to take out. Like this. Then put the color, put the glue. Very carefully you have to do it, otherwise this chip will break. Like this, you have to do the leaves of the flower. Children, you are feeling excited, isn't it? See how beautifully I'm making, and how nicely it is looking like. Okay, now I have already made the leaves. Now for the pot, what we have to do, we have to take any sheet, then we have to fold it like this. We have to cut one strip out of it. See, I am using the scissor, but you don't use the scissor. Tell your mama or papa to cut it. Like this. Now small strips I will cut like this. Like this, you have to cut the strips. See, now what I will make, I have to make the pot. So like this, I will paste little distance you keep. Like this you have to paste. It's very easy drawing, you will like it to do. See, like this you have to, it's little big it has become. Let me cut this. So this way you made the pot of the flower tree. Then see, you have to make the boundary of the pot like this. Feel the gap of the pot with this color. Like this. I have made the pot also. Then what we have to do, we will do one butterfly. So how we can do? Like this. We will. Children, I have pasted the wings of the butterfly Now I will make the body of the butterfly like this. I have taught you earlier how to make the body of the butterfly. Now the antenna of the butterfly like this. Okay, now do like this. So I have made the body of the butterfly like this. One more butterfly I will make here. So how I have made? I have taken a pencil chip, small pencil chip to make the wings like this. For another wings, I will make for another wings like that you have to make here. Yes, already made the wings of the butterfly. Now I will make the body of the butterfly as I have already taught you how to make. See, you have to make the antenna of this like this. Now color the body of the butterfly with yellow color like this. Now what we have to do, I have made it as a birthday card. So you can write like this here. Happy birthday How is looking? Nice, no? Children, you also make it at home. And whenever anyone's birthday is there, you can give it to him or her, or your friend, or your mummy, or your papa. Okay? Do like this. Bye-bye.